Welcome, Airvine University, second course on applications, Chapter 5, Large Private Venues. Large private venues represent the ultimate challenge to the supporting network backbone. Not only are these backbones being pushed, again, a common theme, beyond what they were originally deployed and designed to support, there are new complete digital experiences in these events that are tying together your smartphone app with what you're experiencing in the venue. Venue owners and leases also desire to have video security and IoT applications, including point-of-sale devices that move around. And while the facility structure may have a baseline Ethernet network, each event has its own floor plan or layout. One night you're hosting a concert, the next night you've got a hockey game, the next day you've got a flea market, the next time you've got a conference that's, Comic-Con or some other similar thing. All of these are going to have a different layout for the backbone network. This custom network infrastructure designed for each event demands easy move, adds, and drops to the network, something that a wired, cabled, or fiber cabled approach has a very difficult time supporting. Each event, often one day after the other, you're going to be rerouting cables throughout, entailing large teams, working at night, and costing you a fair amount of money. The wave tunnel solution, flexible, easily redeployed with performance of today's events demand. All it takes to move a wave tunnel and reconfigure your backbone network with our wireless backbone is a plug. Move it to where it needs to go, plug it in, and your new network is up and running in hours. If you look at a conference, this is maybe not quite a large private event, but it was a conference at a hotel in the Brighton, UK area. In this instance, they had several conference rooms that were part of the conference. They had no wired Ethernet laid down anywhere. And rather than run the Ethernet along the floor and put those little cable bumps so that you don't trip over them and use, duct tape wherever you go to try and make sure it's safe, and at the same time it's maybe safe but not so attractive, the alternative approach was to use 6 wave tunnel nodes deployed on a tripod. And if you look at the picture below, you can see that's a wave tunnel unit at the top, an access point beneath it, and each tripod is a completely self-contained access point plus backbone. In addition, several of these links are going through the hotel walls. That is one of the features of a wave tunnel network, is non-line of sight and wall penetration. And that makes it even easier for you to deploy. This whole network was up and running in less than an hour. So if you're a large private venue owner, or if you're just a hotel that has many conferences and you find yourself constantly running new cable with all the intended ugly infrastructure that comes from putting cable in a public area, and you'd like to learn how to do this faster, cheaper, and with less intrusion to your hosts and your guests, click on the link below, and we'll show you how the wave tunnel in a large private venue can help you.